Good morning all of you. Today I am going to teach about punctuation. So first we need to understand what is a punctuation. So definition I wrote here, the mark used for dividing writing into sentence, means whatever we are going to write. So end of the sentence which mark we are putting, that called a punctuation. So that mark is dividing. See, punctuation mark dividing sentence, which is the statement, which is the question, which is the exclamation. So now we are going to see three punctuation mark. First is full stop, second question mark, third exclamation mark. So these are punctuation mark. We can say different type of punctuation mark, but in class 2 only class 2 lesson 3 only three punctuation mark are given. So we will see this one, full stop. So where we put full stop, where we put question mark and exclamation mark. So we need to see uses of them. So uses of punctuation mark, full stop. When we say something or give some information, we use full stop at the end of the sentence. For example, I am listening to music. So in the sentence, where the first we have question where we put full stop. So which sentence, that sentence we say something. In that sentence we say something or we giving information to other person. That sentence, end of that sentence we can put a full stop. Just like example I given here, I am listening to music, means I am saying to other person I am listening to music. So this is a simple sentence, or in this sentence we can put a full stop. So this is the uses of full stop. Now we are going to learn about question. See, second one, question mark. So question mark, where we put question mark when we are going to write, going to write the sentence. That time we understand what is we are writing. If I am writing in the sentence, or in this sentence I mentioned to ask something, just like when we ask something, but when we speaking time, when we ask something, or writing the time when we finish the sentence, that sentence asking to asking something, yeah, asking question to other person, just like what is your name, so that type question, that type sentence, we end of the sentence we put this mark, question mark. Just like see here, for example, where are you going? So this sentence asking us where are you going, means that person where he going, or where they going. So I put so that's why the sentence, this sentence asking something, so I put here question mark. So let's see about exclamation mark. So let's see exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. When we want to express a strong feeling of happiness, sorrow, surprise, or excitement, we use an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So when we have, or we want to show our happiness, or sadness, sorrow, surprise, excitement, that time writing time we can put this mark end of the sentence, or just like see, for example, oh no, means something bad happened. Oh no, you are eating my cake. Something wrong happened, means some other person eating his cake or her cake. So he or she feeling sorrow or surprise, not surprise but sorrow and feel bad. So so he used oh no, and after this word I put here this mark. Like this we will complete or we will show. Writing time we can show our happiness, sorrow, surprise, excitement. So like this, these 3 punctuation mark we can use. Let's see exercises. See the exercise A. Put the appropriate punctuation mark at the end of the following sentence. One has been done for you. So first we read these sentences. Where need full stop, we will put full stop. Where need question mark, we can put question mark. Where need exclamation mark, that place we will put exclamation mark. So first see, Adil will now sing the national anthem. So this is sentence saying something. So we put a full stop. How well she sing. How well she sings. So other person telling to about one lady. So she sing well. So see how she sing well means how much she is singing nicely. So we will put a question mark. Does she train under Mrs. Gayatri? So one under Gayatri. So here see helping her is first place. In first place this sentence is asking something. She train under, does she train under Gayatri, Mrs. Gayatri? So this sentence is asking something, so we put a question mark. See, wow, how beautiful the stage looks today. So someone surprising to see the stage. So here surprising, we can see the sentence showing the surprises. So we put exclamation mark. Who decorated the stage? So here asking who is decorated. So who is decorated? So we put here question mark. Else there is no electricity. Here not feeling good, the surprise, no, here no electricity. So here put exclamation mark. No one can see all the picture that we have put up. No one can see all the pictures that we have put up. This sentence saying something, so we put a full stop. Could you talk to someone from the electricity department? Here this sentence is asking something. So we put a question mark. Hurry, the lights have come back. Hurry. So this sentence saying do hurry. Showing giving command. So we put exclamation mark. Now we can put up the play for everyone to see. This sentence saying something only, so we put full stop. Let's see B. Each of the sentences given below contains a wrong punctuation mark. Write the correct punctuation mark in the blank given next to each sentence. One has been done for you. So here sentences and punctuation mark given here, but this punctuation marks are wrong. We can put a correct mark here. So see, let's see the first one. The lion is the king of the forest. So this sentence, see end of the sentence given here question mark, but sentence saying something, not asking something, saying something only. So here given full stop. Let's see second. Who is mightier than the lion? So here the given here full stop. Full stop mark, but it is wrong because sentence is asking something. Who is mightier than the lion? So we put a question mark here. Here is my sister's phone number. This sentence saying something. So we put full stop. Wow, how neat your handwriting is. So someone see this sentence surprising. So we put exclamation mark. Fifth number, is the teacher absent today? This sentence asking. So we put here question mark. Yippee, today father is going to get me a little puppy. So yippee, excited. So here I put exclamation mark. Next, Meena is older than Seema. This sentence is saying something. So we put a full stop. Number 8. Are the two girls sister? Are the two girls sister? So this is this sentence is asking about two girls. They are sister or not? So we put question mark. Number 10. Few. How far the market is? So this sentence asking, but before asking this one, they feel tired or want to know. They feel tired. So they this sentence showing the tiredness and asking how far the market is. So here I put exclamation mark. Oh no, I have broken the window pane again. So this sentence saying or expresses sadness or feeling bad. So I put here exclamation mark. Your room is very neat. This sentence saying something only. So I put here full stop. Do you clean your room every day? This sentence asking. So I put question mark. Where is your grammar book? So this sentence asking about grammar book. So I put question mark. Wow, how tall this building is. So someone seeing the building and surprising. So I put here exclamation. So this like this we will complete this lessons A and B work. Like this you will also complete in your book. So I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you very much.